everyone. Myself, Avni Jyoti Siddheswar Hukire. I am studying in Standard 3rd at Padar International School, Latur. Today I am going to make the bread. Before making the bread, we should wash our hands properly. Now I am wearing the apron for making the bread.
Yes.
First I am taking the cup of wheat flour. And now I am adding some salt. Now I am adding some oil. Now I am then add some water in it. Now I am going to knead it properly to make the dough. See how I am kneading to make a dough. Now you can see I have made this dough by the kneading. Now I am going to start the gas stove. Remember, when we are starting the gas stove, we have to be very careful. I am going to make the bread by the rolling. Now I am going to bake this bread. Now my delicious bread is ready. Thank you.